channel, Groovy Vibes all the way. Super early in the morning, of course, because it's car show time, and this is a different one because it's Sunset GT, my first one ever. We got the lads here. What's up? Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Morning. Yo. Oh. Big ups, big ups. There's Nurse. What's up, everyone? Groovy Vibes all the way. Let's go check out some cars. That was some entrance, huh? What is that? Is that really the car? Wow. Well, here we go. We're about to see some cars. All right, you ready for this? The best of the best right here. Here in Hollywood. Let's do it. Check that out. Oh wow. You know what this is? That's a laugh. Wow. Wow. Alright, let me know in the comments, what would you rather have? This one, 918, or the laugh? You tell me right now. It's like a spaceship. What do you think, Lorenzo?
It's beautiful.
It is beautiful, right? Oh man. The neon green brakes. Oh wow. Sheesh. Look at the seats too. What do you think about that? The combination? They all look like spaceships. Look at this color. Oh, it's a race car one. Oh shoot. Yeah, this is the one we saw at the San Clemente one. Yeah. Which one do you like better? This color? The white and orange. Interesting, interesting. Look at this green. Lambo. They're all Lambos. All Lambos. Wow. Car alarms. Got some McLarens right here. Purple, white. Looks like it's got some kind of white wall going on here. Is it carbon fiber? Look at that wing. Oh man. Nah, that's a proper wing right there. Now it's some classic Lambo time right here. Check this out. This all-time classic. Oh, did you just see that? That was another one of those race car Lambos. Oh man. Anyways, there she is. Woo. Look at it, yellow on yellow. Oh yeah. Yeah. Ferrari. Here, getting a little parking spot going on. Red. Alright, that's fine.
Yeah, they're on. Stop wasting your gas.
All the sexy cars are coming in. Oh man, this is unbelievable. This is top of the line right here. Can you guys see me? Top of the line. Oh man. Wow. So groovy. It just keeps going down. Sunset Boulevard. All of these supercars, huh? All these supercars. Yes. Just keep going. No stop to all this. Wow. So if you got your supercar, you bring it to Sunset. All right. That's how it's done. Supercar Sunday today. And then look, you got Mickey and Spider-Man. Wow. Interesting combination here. Very interesting. And the situation is, last year this was all shut down because you know, the situation. But yeah, now it's back. It's back. Absolutely. Oh my god! Literally, it goes all the way down. Look at that! It goes literally all the way down. Wow! Literally all of Sunset. Can you believe that? Oh, we don't need this one. Oh, classic, classic, classic. Just chilling in the car. Just gonna keep this rolling because look, we got a long ways to go. Gosh, look at this. Oh, it goes around the corner now. Oh my gosh. It's so crazy because it just keeps going. It just keeps going all the way. I mean, look how far we are right now. I mean, look at all. Is that a C8? Is that a C8 right there? Oh. Look at that. He's got his YouTube channel there. Look at that wing. Oh man, look at this.
Yeah, go ahead, talk to the man.
Yo guys, so check this out. We got the sheriffs here. The sheriffs aren't happy about all this. They want to shut it all down. Look at that. They're all mad. They're like, "Are you serious right now? You think you can have fun here? No, you can't. You cannot have fun here." That's what they're saying. Like, all these car lovers are out here just trying to enjoy, but no, they don't want you. You got the bikers now. Bikers versus supercars. Look at that. Bikers versus supercars. Look at it. What do they think they are? They think they're supercars? You can't be doing that. It's supercar time, not bicycle time. Was it a protest? Just keeps going down. Just rows of cars, you know, they're just trying to get in somewhere, trying to figure out what's going on. Looks like all the cars are starting up, beginning to go. Moving forward, moving all forward. This is a nice one right here. Sheesh. Just moving up. That's it. Little bit, little bit, little by little, little by little. Oh, look at this. How do you feel about that? The bumper's gone. The back bumper. I don't know if I dig that actually, honestly. Looks like it just like fell off or something. But that just makes it more louder. I know that. Oh, look at that. Little bit by little, guys. So they're all trying to get in here. Look at this. All this little parking down here. That's what they're trying to do. look at this coming up. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that orange thing coming up. Can you see that over there? Can you see that? Can you see that? You know, that's a hypercar right there. Not a supercar. These are supercars. That's a hypercar. Oh my gosh. Like it's coming up. It's coming up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The rich of the riches right here. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this catastrophe right now. Everybody's just like, all these supercars are trying to get in. This is crazy. Oh my god. Look at all this. Unbelievable. You know how much money all this is right here? You know how much money this is? Alright, here it comes, here it comes. I gotta get this on TikTok. Hold on. He's all mad. That's Ferrari guys, like all the 4GT. Yeah, this guy's all mad. He wants them to go that way. F40. Oh, the F40. Oh my gosh. $1 million car right here. $1 million car. Super rare. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. F40 right here. Oh my gosh. What do you think about that? Pink wheels. Pink wheels. Here, look at this entrance right here. Maybe they're where all the cars are at now. Oh, so this is where they're all trying to get into. All those cars are trying to all get into here. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Yo, where you at? Where you at? What's up? I've been looking for you. Yo guys, so anyways, we found the crazy cars now. Check this out. So there's the F40, the 918. Look at this beautiful Ford GT right here. Unbelievable. Oh, there's that car we saw the other time. Hold on, let's get over there. This is the one that makes me angry right here. Look at that. People in the way. Look, there's Lorenzo right there. What's haps, dude? What's haps, dude? Look at this. This is the one we saw the other day. Is this crazy or what? What do you think of all this? Oh, the Bugatti! The Bugatti! Oh my gosh! Look at the Bugatti! Oh my god, few $1 million right here. That is a Bugatti. Lorenzo, yo, this is a Bugatti right here, yeah, you know? That's on
full carbon body, so it's like
full carbon body. Unbelievable. And you got the center right here with the massive wing. What do you think about the chopped off roof over there? I love it. You're into that? You dig that?
Yeah, absolutely.
You're really?
I'm into crazy stuff like that.
It sure is crazy.
The wire is one of my favorite cars.
Is it? Wow.
I love Pagani's.
I just realized there's a Bugatti right here. I didn't even look at that. I just walked right past it. Oh my gosh. How could you do that? That's terrible. There we go. Now we're looking at the Bugatti. Look at it's like leaves coming out. You see that?
Carbon wheels. About the 4GT, I love this. It's like the part that I like. You can literally like see through the car. Look. That's beautiful. What do you think about it?
Thumbs up.
Airflow.
My mind is just blown right now from all this.
Look it from here. It's crazy. V6 Ford.
It's a V6. Yeah, it's a V6. You know, like I always say, like, can you believe a Ford GC is a V6?
Look down there.
Look, all the cars are trying to get in from over here. Then you got the LAV right here. Too bad it's a little ominous out there. But other than that, there's the views. What do you like better, these views? This view. Let me know. Unbelievable. Go ahead and hit the like button right now, alright? Just stop this video real fast, pause it, hit the like button, and continue. The best of the best is right here, alright? This is...
Put the Ferrari right here. I'm gonna rip that license. Cut it hard.
Few million.
Okay, go straight back from there.
Trying to back up.
Okay, there you go. A little bit this way, straight back. Okay. You good there? Okay, now you straighten the back. Okay.
Look at this. What even is that? I don't even know what this is. This. Look at the colors on this. Oh my gosh. Now we got this silver Ford GT with orange stripes with orange brakes. That's what I'm talking about right there. They know how to color code right there. That's perfect. I'm digging that. People are still trying to get in. That's why they're going to the lower lot below. So like,
Hey, but tell them you didn't see any Dodge Chargers with, like, doors, you know?
yeah, none of that from exactly. None of that. That is not, no.
They would get banned immediately.
No, ban. That's why they got the security right there. They see if they're like, all right, is this a supercar or a hypercar? All right, yeah, you can go. They're still all trying to get in.
Let's talk about this blue one. Yeah. Hey.
All trying to get in. All trying to get, but they, you know, you show up late, you end up in the down corner. Seriously, that's what happens. Now the eggs are showing up. Can you believe that? Oh, the balloons. Check out this $1 million car just sitting here on the street. Wow. The Benz. This is what the doors that open up. Oh, this is the one I was talking about. What is this? Wow, seriously, it's just one seat. Wow. What actually is this? Look at the back. Oh man. Seriously, what is this? It's like a futuristic race car. Oh man. And then you got the CA. Well, there you go. Another spaceship. You gotta wear a helmet with it too. That's what you gotta do. You gotta put a helmet on that. One-seater and just fly off. So this is electric one right here. That's what I was wondering. Concept 1. Red brake pads. Electric. See, so all the cars had to come down here now. So there you go, second car show. Everyone's still up here. Look at it. Look how crowded it is. Absolutely crowded. Should I be wearing a mask? Let me know in the comments if I should be wearing a mask or not. So that's the that's where you put your stuff, and back there is the engine. That's your luggage room right there. Look at this green one. Green. Wow. Looks like a Jamaica flag. The seats match it. Another concept car right here. Don't even know what this is. Probably electric maybe? I don't know. I have no idea what this is. What does it say? Nevra, maybe. Ask them what they do for a living.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, bro.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
I watch
too,
your
bro.
videos all the time.
I appreciate it.
Yeah,
man.
groovy vibes all the way.
Yeah, dude. This event's nutty. I've never been to one of these.
Yeah, it was first time for me too.
Yeah, dude. Absolutely crazy.
Honestly, yeah.
Yeah, hopefully I can snag some of these hyper.
Yeah, I see you going through. I see you trying to catch them all.
Yeah. It's
You got
good,
your fans. Anyways, nice to meet you.
See you, man.
Thank you.
So I just met the famous TikToker, the guy that always asks, oh, what do you do for a living, to all these supercar owners and everything. I was like, yo, what do you do for a living? And now we know, of course. So
This yellow beast right here. Look at that thing. Look at that. He's got green brakes too. What's he planning on doing? He's gonna take off? There it goes. There it goes. Finally, it's coming. Hey! Hey! Come on! Come on! Get out of the way!
Hey, anyway, make sure that Mercedes don't cut in the way.
Hey! Come on! Look at the concept of that. Look, I got stripes and then it's solid in the front.
that's for like wind resistance or whatever.
Yeah, that's a speed tail.
Oh, and there's the Koenigsegg's leaving too.
Oh.
Yeah, Malibu.
Look at everyone crowding around. Look how the front wheel has like a shield on it.
There's 3 seats in there.
3 seats, yeah. Look at this old guy. Egg. Look at that egg. That is beautiful. Look at the blue inside of that. Oh my god. Hey, which way you going? Which way you going, buddy?
You go to the left or to the right? Yeah, follow me.
Which way you going?
Absolutely unbelievable. Wow, wow, wow. Millions and millions and millions of dollars here. Incredible. Beautiful cars. Wow.
Lambo! 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 Look at that wing! Look at that wing! Oh my god! Yeah. That's the guy I interviewed, that guy. See that guy? He's like, what do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? That's the guy right there. He's talking to Come on, go! Let's go! Oh, AMG! what we saw yesterday. Alright. Everybody's gone. Lime. Lime. That's 11. Is it? It looks a little low. Lime is great. It's a race car right here.
It's a race car?
I love that wing. Oh yeah. Left or right, left or right. Yeah, that's right. What is that? Like pearl? Pearlescent? Gary the snail! Gary the snail! That's my favorite right there. That's a Mercy right there. What's going on around here? Look at everybody. Yeah. Wow.
Well, that was the car show. What'd you guys think? Groovy vibes all the way. Honestly, craziest, the best one I've ever seen.
There goes the laugh. Dude, there goes the laugh.
That's the last good car left. What else is left?
Yeah, that's it. Lorenzo right there. What's up, dude?
Sure?
Yo, here they are right here.
Alright guys, you get off the street now.
Oh. With this classic bat flips, they love that.
There they go. That's it. They send it. We got the classic right here. This is one of my favorite Ferraris of all time. Super classic. Go ahead. Sheesh! Look at that. That's the way to send it right there. That's the end. That's the ending. All right. All right. Groovy vibes. Groovy vibes.
Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Sunset Boulevard. All right. What's it called? What is this place called? Sunset GT. Sunset GT. Yeah. First time here. First time. Wow. That's all I gotta say is wow. All right. Laters.